So the last couple of weeks I've been trying to improve my workspace here. I've had a lot of clutter I wanted to get rid of and space that wasn't utilised properly. So I wanted to make the best of that. So that's what I've been at. And so let me show you some of what I've done. So I already had this workbench in here in place on the left hand side as you come in the door. So nothing really changed there, that's still in place. But around this side here is where I made the changes. So those of you that are familiar with the channel will know that there was a lot of clutter over here and stuff, junk just jumped, and really space that wasn't being used really. So a lot of stuff I could get rid of. So I did, I cleaned it out and I put in 2 more benches here, a bit of workspace. So that'll give a bit more room for working. Good bench put in there and plenty of room around the bike. Here and another bench this side. So that's basically what I spent a bit of time doing now, tidying up and getting things in order. So you can see there's lots of space now, plenty of space. All I need is more bikes. And that's just the back of the partition I put up there. So I'll have my bit of storage there and stuff. And that's really it. So that's what I've been up to the last couple of weeks. So therefore I really haven't had time to work on the bike the last couple of weeks. So it's been neglected. So, but that's going to change now. I want to get a spark plug change done in the next few days. So that'll be the next job I'm going to tackle. I want to change the spark plugs out. So if that's something you want to see, that'll be coming up soon. As well as that, I want to kit out the workbenches here with the tools and stuff. So if you've got any ideas on that and the best way of doing it, I want to put some tools up here on the board, some spanners and stuff underneath. Then I need to put in some, I don't know what I'm going to do there now. Maybe get some tool chests or that and put them in under there, something that will be movable, that I'll be able to pull in and out and move around. I think might be the best idea there. And the same of course over the far side here. I have plenty of room up there for tools, to hang up some tools and that. And maybe put in a vise, small vise, one side or the other. I think there's no need to put in a vise on both sides, one side will do. And underneath again, I'll do something there. So that's something I need to get done. So if you have any ideas on that, and what's the best way to kit out the benches and put the tools up, or if you've got some good ideas in that, let me know in the comments. I'd love to know, or how the best way of going about it. And I'd be interested to get your feedback on it and what you think. Just let me know in general what you think of the project that I've done there and with the benches and the space. And would you have done something differently, or do you think it's okay? It'll have to be now anyways, because I'm not going changing it, but I'm just interested to know, yeah, what you think on the matter. So the spark plug job is the next one coming up, and tackle that in the next couple of days. And thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.